how to change Facebook page name. So what we will do is we will open our Facebook app, and after opening our Facebook app, the first thing we will do is we'll click on our profile menu, and after clicking on menu we will see an arrow button on the top right corner, and we will click on it, and after clicking we will see any page that we have created through our account, and we'll click on it and we'll go on our menu again. And after clicking on menu, what we will do is we will scroll down a bit and we will search for settings and privacy there. And after seeing settings and privacy, we'll click on it and we'll click on settings. The first thing we'll get to see is page settings, so we'll click on page setting. Then after clicking on it, we'll see name on the top and we'll click on name. And from here what we can do is we can simply change our name, but the thing after changing name is we can only change it again after 60 days after changing it. So after changing the name, we will click on review change. After clicking on review change, we'll reach to next page where we have to add our password of our Facebook. And then after adding our password, we will click on save changes, and after clicking on save changes we'll have to add our email address. And after adding our email address and confirming it, we will be able to change our Facebook page name. So even after changing it, it might be changed right after it, or it may take 3 days maximum to change your name.